Parents are most ordinary men, turned by love into heroes, adventurers, storytellers, and singers of song. No man I ever met was my father's equal, and I never loved any other man as much. My father gave me the greatest gift anyone could give another person. He believed in me. He always believes me and shows a sense of confidence in me. Whenever I feel depressed or sad, he is the one who motivates me with his words. I never had much trust in myself, but my father always showed and proved to me that I can do anything I set my mind to. He was the one who showed me my worth. My childhood memories are full of unconditional love, fun, and laughter. I know I don't say it enough, so I'll say it extra today. Thank you for everything, Dad. Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah. A father is someone you look up to, no matter how tall you grow. A father is neither an anchor to hold us back, nor a sail to take us there, but a guiding light, whose love shows us the way. Indeed, I'm so blessed that Allah sent me to you. You are the best dad in the whole world. I love you so much.